Have you ever thought your French isn't toast enough? Skill issue. I don't know what to tell you, man.
First things first, you're gonna crack a couple eggs into a dish. In my case, I'm making 3 slices, so I'm gonna crack 2 eggs, and then you're just gonna whisk that up and add a little bit of milk. And then you're gonna whisk that up again until the milk is combined. And now you can sprinkle some cinnamon and then simultaneously whip and nay-nay until combined. And then you can go ahead and put that pan on that burner and turn that puppy. You probably don't need too much butter. In hindsight, I could have used more than just 1 tablespoon.
Add butter.
And then you can just start dipping your bread into that mixture and then throwing it directly on the ground. Now, normally you don't want to be poking and prodding at the bread while it's cooking too much. Once it looks ready enough though, you can go ahead, put that on the plate, and start up your next one. I would say right around here about is where I probably should have added more butter. Most of the butter got used up by that first slice, so it's good to put more butter as needed. Our second piece is looking pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead, plate that up, and get started on our third and final piece. Turns out 2 eggs and a splash of milk was the perfect amount of batter I needed for 3 slices. As for any recipe, I suppose, adjust for however many slices of toast you're making. This was perfect for me though, so do with that what you will. Anywho, our final piece is looking good, so we're gonna go ahead, plate that up, turn off the burner.
Don't forget it!
And now it's time for us to make our own
sugar!
All this is just a bunch of sugar mixed with cinnamon. Everyone knows you measure with the heart. There's no measurements here. Now you're just gonna smother that baby in syrup. Okay, that's enough syrup.
That's enough syrup. That's enough syrup.
And then you just give that a nice little dusting of the cinnamon sugar. Now I decided at the very last minute I was gonna have some strawberry milk with this. That's pretty simple, just ice, milk, and strawberry syrup. Make sure you get that nice red 40 stuff. And then you just mix it up until it looks like Pepto-Bismol. Make sure you drink it before the monster comes and takes it.
Wow, I just see myself $150.
And now you can eat all your sorrows away with some French toast.